Hello, we're Dan and Andrea, and we've just bought a barn in Wales to make our home. It needs quite a lot of work, but we think we're up for the challenge. Good morning. So today is finally a dry day and we're gonna try to put the roof on one of the sheds. We have the power shed completely built up with the walls now, and we've had a DPM as a tarp over it for the last couple of days, week, to keep off the rain, which has come down quite a bit over the last couple of days. But now we have some time off, and so we're going to go and make the most of this sun and try to get those panels on the roof. The first thing we're going to do is the DPM that we've used as a tarp has collected quite a lot of water, and if it's still intact, we're going to try to get that water out without it exploding and ending up as a huge swimming pool in our shed. So that will be task number one. Then we're going to move on to bringing the panels up, dry fitting them on the roof, seeing how they fit, how much of the third panel, just confirming how much we're going to have to cut off, and then starting to properly fit the panels. Hopefully we get one, if not two, done today. I don't think we'll have enough daylight to get the third one on, with it being the first time that we're using this kind of roof. So we'll see how it goes, but it would be nice to at least get some on. So wish us luck. So these are our insulated roof panels. The larger ones on top are for our watershed, and then the smaller ones underneath are for our powerhouse. So we have a bit of a break in the rain and we're gonna pop out. I'm going to get up on the roof and try to get all of the stitcher screws in, which are the little screws that connect the panels to each other, and also take off the plastic film that's still on the top of 2 of the panels. And if you ever put these panels up yourself, definitely take the film off first. It really does stick. The underneath one comes off quite well, but it's a pain to try to take it off after you set it down. So it's not just a case of lifting it up and peeling it off, because the tape and the mastic that you've put around the edges sticks to the underside and then it all comes off and it's a horrible mess. So, or it was for us. It probably didn't help that it started raining multiple times while we were out there. So everything was getting wet, so nothing was sticking. But take the film off first. Top tip, definitely do that. That's what we're doing today.
You going to try and go down forwards?
No.
Oh, okay.
My gloves on, I get more traction.
I've no idea. I've not been up on that. Nearer the wall and higher.
What?
Higher. Yeah. You got it. You're all right.
How am I supposed to?
Lower a leg. You're all right.
No.
Do you want to come up?
No, because then no one's holding the ladder.
Okay.
Is the ladder where it was when I came up?
Yeah. I mean, you're nearly on the second one. If you can go down another 2 inches and swing it.
I don't know how to do this.
Is it because you're worried that you're going to slip your grip with your hands?
I'm worried that my feet are going to slip off. No, what are you doing?
Nothing.
I felt the ladder move.
I just wedged it with my foot. You move. This should.
I don't think I can get down.
All right. If you go back up, I'll position the ladder higher up. Right. Try that now. Down. Get down. Yep. There you go. Is that better? You're on the second run now.
Yay! I'm off the roof. Yay! Oh my god. No, don't tell me that at the top. Jesus! I thought I was up there forever. I'm off the roof.